Let's start simple. Level 1 charging. This is the most basic way to charge your electric vehicle, and it's something anyone can do right at home. Level 1 charging means plugging your EV into a regular wall outlet, just like you would with your phone or laptop. No fancy equipment, no complicated setup. Every new EV comes with a cord for this, so you're ready to go from day one. Just plug in when you get home, and let your car charge overnight while you sleep. But here's the catch. Level 1 is slow. You'll get about 3 to 5 miles of range per hour, which means a full charge can take a long time, especially for bigger batteries. For short daily commutes though, it's perfect. Drive to work, plug in at home, and by morning, you're topped up and ready to go again. It's a simple routine that fits easily into most people's lives. The best part? No special installation, no need to call an electrician, and no extra costs. All you need is a standard outlet and a bit of patience. It's the most accessible way to charge, turning your home into your personal fueling station. Anyone with a garage or driveway can do it. For plug-in hybrids, level 1 is often all you need. Their smaller batteries charge up overnight with ease, making it a hassle-free solution. But if you have a long commute, or your EV has a large battery, level 1 might not be enough. You could find yourself waiting a long time for a full charge. Charging a 300-mile battery from empty could take several days. So it's not ideal if you're always on the go or need quick turnarounds. So, while level 1 is a great starting point and works for many, it's just one piece of the EV charging puzzle. There are faster options out there. Think of level 1 as the trusty tortoise in the race of charging speeds. Steady, reliable, but never in a hurry. Sometimes though, you need the hare, something faster, to keep up with your lifestyle. That's where level 2 charging comes in, offering a serious boost in speed and convenience. Ready to move up a level? Let's see what level 2 charging can do for you.